Good morning friends, I am Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about obituaries of the prominent persons. We knew that recently maximum important person died because of various reasons. So those questions will be asked in examinations. So don't underestimate these type of questions. You will be asked and we must know what exactly he was. So let us start with the video, what exactly it has been given in the slides, and I want you guys to have a look in playlist where you will find maximum information regarding all current affairs. So initially we have Dineshwar Sharma. He is the guy, he was Lakshadweep administrator as well as former intelligence bureau chief. So he acted as a intelligence chief as well as administrator of Lakshadweep. In the Lakshadweep we have lieutenant governor. So he was LG of Lakshadweep, Dineshwar Sharma. Remember, the names are very important. Recently he died this year. Next, you may be asked, who was the chairman of MDH Masala? We knew that there was a spices, MDH. He was the grand old man of spices. He was also known as Grand Old Man of Spices. Spices, we are aware that spices are located in Malabar coast of Kerala, and in India the maximum spices are produced in Karnataka. Before it was Kerala, because of fire in Malabar coast, all spices, whatever the gardens we have, they were burnt. So now the maximum spice are produced in Karnataka. So here the MDH Masala, he is the grand old man of spices. His name is Dharampal Gulati. You can see here how exactly he looks like. Next we have Soumitra Chatterjee. He is the one legendary Bengali actor and who also recipient of Dada Saheb Phalke Award. We knew that this Dada Saheb Phalke Award is received for the lifetime achievement in the field of film industry. So he has got Dada Saheb Phalke Award in the year 2012. So you can see how exactly he looks like. So this is one thing, one advantage of the making the video is you can directly go through the picture as well and you can learn the English, and for further improvement in examinations also it will be useful. So next we have first woman to be commissioned as an Indian Air Force officer. So we should be proud that Vijay Lakshmi Ramanan, she was the maiden Air Force officer who inducted into Air Force, and she recently passed away. So whoever the personnel have been given, everyone was passed away. I am just given those important personnel. You may ask in examination these type of questions. You have to be ready for any kind of questions in exams. Next we have Madhav Govind Vaidya. So important person, he is the RSS ideologue and first spokesperson. What exactly RSS stands for? Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh. So he recently died, Madhav Govind Vaidya. Next we should remember founder and first CEO of Tata Consultancy Services. We knew that we have TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services, founder and the first CEO Fakir Chand Kohali. So he died recently. His name is Fakir Chand Kohali. Please remember, he is the founder of CEO as well as founder of Tata Consultancy Services, Fakir Chand Kohali. Next we have Jayant Madhav. He is the renowned economist as well as former director of Asian Development Bank. What is ADB? That is Asian Development Bank. Please remember, you should remember all these banks as well, and whoever is CEO and head. For those videos you can directly go through my playlist of GK where you will find the videos of it. Next we have Purushottam Rai. He was a former Indian athletics coach. He was also Dronacharya awardee who has got the Dronacharya for his good coaching in the field of athletics. His name was, he was died because that is the reason the obituaries who were the important personnel. His name Purushottam Roy. He was a former Indian athletics coach. Next we have Saroj Khan. She was a prominent and she was a best choreographer and Indian dance choreographer in Hindi cinema. She got 3 times national award also. Her name is Saroj Khan. Next we have Tarun Gogoi. Everybody knows about Tarun Gogoi. He was the longest serving chief minister of Assam. I want you guys to comment in the comment section for how many years he ruled over Assam. Important question, guys. He was the longest serving CM, that has to be accepted. Tarun Gogoi. Next we have Mridula Sinha. You can see her. She was a former governor of Goa. Her name is Mridula Sinha. We have to remember there was Manohar Parrikar before he was a defense minister, and he was the chief minister of Goa who was died because of sudden death. And you can see Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley also died while they were in office. So you have to remember what all are the personnel who were died in the power. So you have to write their names. Other odd one you have to find out. Next we have Sanchman Limbu. He was a former chief minister of Sikkim. So he died and he was a former chief minister of Sikkim, Sanchman Limbu. Next we have former chief minister of Bihar have been asked. So Satish Prasad Singh. He was a chief minister of Bihar, Satish Prasad Singh. He died recently. Next we have Prashant Dora. He is a famous Indian football team goalkeeper. He is the goalie and he died recently. That Prashant Dora had died. He is the important person. Next we have Ram Vilas Paswan. That Ram Vilas Paswan, he was a cabinet minister of consumer affairs, food and public distribution. So he is the founder of LJP also. And I want you guys to comment in the comment section what exactly the abbreviation of LJP. That is also very important. They may ask anything. You have to remember BJP and what exactly the abbreviations of BJP, LJP, and we have various parties and political parties and their names and their symbols. Recently they have asked. You have to go through those type of questions as well. If I say next we have Ashwini Kumar, CBI director who invested Arushi murder case. That is Ashwini Kumar. So he also died and he was a CBI director Arushi murder case. That is Ashwani Kumar. Next we should know shortest serving governor of Reserve Bank of India had been asked. His name, that is Amitabh Ghosh. Please remember guys, he is the one who was served for the shortest period. Next you can see Dr. S.I. Padmavati. She died recently. She was the first female cardiologist. We should know what exactly the cardiology means. The study of the heart is known as cardiology, and she was the cardiologist. She was a doctor and she died because of old age, and at the age of, you can see her, she died at the age of 1 or 3 years. So how healthy she was. So she is the good mother of cardiology. She is also known as good mother of cardiology. Her name S.I. Padmavati. Next we have Lalji Tandon. He was a former governor of Madhya Pradesh, Lalji Tandon. He died recently. Next they may ask, the questions are like this. Who was the Madhya Pradesh governor recently died? So you have to write his name like that. He may ask any kind of questions, but you have to be cautious what exactly he is asking. Next, former Indian hockey player who won thrice in 3 times Olympic gold medal for the Indian hockey team. So his name was Balbir Singh Senior, who won 3 times Olympic gold. So these kind of questions will be asked. And who is the wizard of hockey? That is Dhyan Chand. Next we have Satish Gujral, famous painter as well as writer. He died recently. He is Satish Gujral. Next we have the famous painter and artist M.F. Hussain, one of the best painter in India. Remember them. And the Raja Ravi Verma was also a painter. You may be asked any name, odd one out, you may be asked. You have to be good at learning the new things. Next we have Bhanu Ataiya. She is India's first Oscar winner. She was also a costume designer. So we knew whatever the costume designs. I want you guys to comment me in the section who is a prominent costume designer in men in India. The first Oscar winner for the costume designing purpose, her name Bhanu Ataiya. She died. Next we should remember Malayalam poet. His name is Akkitam Achyutan Namboothiri. He won 55th Jnanpith Award. He belongs to, as you can see, he becoming the 60 literary personality from Kerala to achieve this honor, and he is the guy. He belongs to the Kerala and renowned Malayalam poet and also the Jnanpith laureate. That is Akkitam Achyutan Namboothiri. Next we should remember these are the few important personalities, and I had already discussed Manohar Parrikar, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj also. They died, and you must remember what exactly they were. And next we will discuss about the capital and currencies. We will play in the next video. By the time, subscribe it and share it to your friends also. I hope whatever the questions have been discussed in playlist, have a look in playlist and learn maximum. Thank you guys. Have a good day. Have a great life.